Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the chronograph feature on your Nixon Regulus Expedition watch. So the chronograph can actually be found in a couple different modes. In this video I'm going to just be showing you it in the chronograph mode, but there's things like the camp mode where you can also use chronograph if you wanted to. So I'm in my main timekeeping mode. All we're going to do is simply press the mode button, that's the bottom left button, and that'll show us all of our different modes. I'm going to use the down button, which is the bottom button on the right hand side. I'm going to go all the way down to chrono. And then again, I'm going to press the mode button to select it. Now we're in our chronograph. You're going to see your current time at the bottom, and at the top it's going to be your chronograph information. It's pretty simple. You basically have your upper right hand button that's going to start as well as stop your chronograph. So while it's running, you can start and stop with this button. You can split with the bottom right button. So for example, if I want to stop it, that's what it looks like stopped. If I want to resume it, I can press resume. If I want to split while it's running, you'll see that now it's split. If I want to go back and see the full time, right now I'm just viewing my split time. If I want to see the full time, I can press the bottom right button again and we can see my full time that's running. I can split again. And that's basically how you use that functionality. At any point, if you want to reset it, all you're going to do is stop it. And while it's stopped, you're going to press and hold the bottom right button, and that will reset it back to 0. Pretty simple, and then once you're done with the chronograph, you can simply press your mode button and switch back to whatever mode you want to. In my case, I'm going to just go back to the regular timekeeping mode. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.